Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this KAIWEETS Smart Digital Multimeter, the model KM201. 2000 counts True-RMS, supports data hold, auto mode, live measurement function, measures up to 600 volt AC DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency and phase measurement. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the bag. Nice, you can have the cables at the back. Storage for the cables. It is 50 cm the length of the cables, red and black color, 2 batteries included, 2 3A batteries. At the front we have the display, the flashlight, on-off button, the function button and for the backlight, the button for the data hold function and the flashlight. So let's install the batteries. At the back we have one screw. Remove the screw and install the batteries. I heard the beep, it is ready. Auto. The flashlight, I like it. So you can see better at any area when you are doing the measurement. Press and hold off and press and hold on the flashlight. On-off button to switch off. Press and hold again, on. It is on auto mode. Press and hold, you can activate the backlight with this button, or press and hold, deactivate. I like on the backlight. And of course on auto you can check this battery. Press the hold, it will hold the measurement as long as you want. Press again, release. Or you can check this plug. 230 volt, red color, high voltage. Hold, and it will hold the measurement again. Release. Or if you want, you can check the output from this power adapter. 19.46 volt, correct, DC. Hold again, so easy. Before, from this plug, it was AC. Press the F button, NVC probe. There is the probe. So let's see. At this power cord, slowly, low, it says low, and it's flashing red, high voltage. Nice! And of course you can check any cables at the wall, inside the wall. Press again live. We can check the live cable. There it is, high voltage. Nothing here. F again, phase. So we need 3-phase. So I don't have 3-phase at my home. I have custom made these 3 cables. Pre-cabled with 3-phase. It doesn't matter the colors right now. I'm just going to show you what it shows at the display. The brown, the blue, and we can see PL symbol is on display, indicate phase sequence left rotation. If you're gonna see the R symbol is on the display, indicates phase sequence right rotation. This is left. And again, auto mode. So I like how it's performing. This voltage meter comes with anti-burn and protects from overloading with overload indication and low battery indication. For daily, easy to use by amateurs, car owners and home owners. Enjoy endless DIY projects. It is small, portable, definitely it fits anywhere with a storage for the cables. And I like it. It is cute and very helpful tool for anyone. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can use it, you can check down below the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.